Welcome to RV's data conversion. In this video we will discuss about how to auto-type Cibil Management form filling data entry work. This is Cibil Management form filling auto-typing software. The process of automatic typing of data entry work is: first, open your project software and open Mi Demography Auto Typer software. Upload converted data Excel file in auto typing software. Select required form in Cibil Auto Typer and click on Start button. Next, click on the record number box. Now auto typing software starts typing like manual typing. While typing, don't touch keyboard or mouse until full form completed. After automatic typing completed, once check the data and save the form. Then select Next Form in Cibil Management Auto Typer and click on Start button. Same process repeat until the full work completed. By using Cibil Management Mi Demography Auto Typing software, you can easily completed the work. So you can ultimately take the projects and complete work in time by using automation software. For inquiry and explanation, WhatsApp, +91 970 430 5784.
Thanks for watching. Contact +91 970 430 5784.